I'm Scott Parker, and we're at the 2022 SEMA Show. We've got Project MaxStreet right here. Project MaxStreet is a 1966 Nova. It's got a big block Chevy, 555 cubic inches. It's got a Dart block, Edelbrock top end, and most importantly, a ProCharger F1A 94. Project MaxStreet is a single-digit capable street car. We had an old school kind of cog-driven F2, and we switched to the smaller F1A 94, which is actually a lot more efficient, but it's on a serpentine drive, so it's going to be a lot more street friendly than the old cog drive system. And we're switching to E85, so it's a lot more street friendly, modern combination, and it has Holley EFI on it. It's got billet specialties wheels, Willwood brakes, a Chris Alston front end, 4-link rear suspension, and a Mosier axle. So one of the coolest things about this build is some of the details, and one of the most obvious details is the paint. It's got an Axalta matte white paint, and then we've gone through and we powder coated the wheels a dark gray, and then we went through and we did the interior to match that. It's got brand new TMI interior, including the brand spanking new Chicane 2 seats. Project MaxStreet was built as sort of like a Saturday night special, on steroids though. So very comfortable in the street, but makes gobs and gobs of power. So it'll be a lot of fun at the drag strip. Anyone looking to follow the build, they should go to streetmusclemag.com. Special thanks to Dean.